What is with everyone in this lobby flipping me off? I'm gonna punch you, you understand? Get back here. Okay, so, bro. The update is, rainy flashback. That sounded fucking weird as shit to say. Okay, it's the rain flashback. Bah! Okay, so, yeah, we have the, like, all the boots, the cloud boot, golden boot, and regular boot. We have the Curious George hat, egg,
like the rain hat.
and then we have a floaty, I am not sure what that is, shit.
That's just a rain, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, show off the cosmetics real quick.
I'm not gonna put it out, I'm not gonna follow, don't follow him. I mean, subscribe to him. Subscribe to him. Subscribe.
Exactly.
Anyways,
Also,
we're gonna be looking at the new update.
Why is everyone surrounding me, bruh?
So, let's go do that next.
Bro, I cannot do jack shit. Okay, we have the regular black umbrella.
Get my arms are getting tired.
We have the colored. We have the colored umbrella, which looks kind of sick. We have the golden umbrella, which I'm definitely gonna get. We have this, bro. We have this. I swear to fucking God.
Hey, wait. Can I show you a magic trick? Alright. Can I show you a magic trick?
We have the egg. Oh God, you can't even see it. We have the Curious George hat. The Curious George hat. We have boots. I'ma stomp on you.
Okay. No, wait. Okay. You see my hand, right? I'm gonna show you a magic trick, alright?
Oh, why are y'all? No, I'm not getting flipped off again. Okay, so we have the cloud boots.
So look,
we have the
and I'm gonna pull out a
golden
random item
boots.
from my hand.
Oh my fucking God! If y'all do not get out of my fucking face, I swear.
Flapper.